On 3rd September 2025, during Beijing's Grand Military Parade commemorating the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II in the Pacific, China unveiled a series of advanced naval systems that caught the attention of the world. Among them were two striking waterborne drones, the AJX-002 and the HSU-100. Their public debut was not just a showcase of hardware, but also a signal of China's accelerating move toward unmanned and autonomous naval warfare. Both drones, with their torpedo-like designs, represent a growing emphasis on innovation in undersea operations, in an area traditionally dominated by manned submarines. The AJX-002 is believed to be a large unmanned underwater vehicle, potentially capable of conducting mine warfare. Reports indicate that it may be designed to autonomously lay mines or deploy other payloads, allowing the Chinese Navy to disrupt enemy sea lanes with minimizing risk to its own personnel. The HSU-100, by contrast, appears more tailored for surveillance and reconnaissance, possibly with long endurance capabilities to monitor undersea environments, track enemy submarines, or gather critical intelligence. These complementary roles suggest that China is building a diverse fleet of unmanned systems to enhance its maritime power projection. Strategically, the introduction of such systems reflects China's focus on strengthening its anti-access aerial denial strategies. Unmanned drones like the AJX-002 and HSU-100 can patrol contested regions such as the South China Sea, operate in high-risk areas without endangering human crews, and expand China's undersea footprint at relatively lower cost compared to traditional submarines. Their presence in the parade was also a symbolic message, demonstrating to rivals, particularly the United States and its regional partners, that China is rapidly advancing in domains that are critical for future naval competition. However, one thing is clear: their unveiling highlights Beijing's determination to lead in unmanned undersea warfare, an area that is becoming central to 21st century maritime strategy. With these drones, China is not only modernizing its navy but also redrawing the boundaries of naval warfare, reminding the world that the ocean depths are now at the forefront of great power competition.